Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust permissions on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to grant or revoke permissions, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down, go to security and privacy, and then scroll down one more time until you find permission manager. If you go here, then you will see the list of permissions. So let's say we're gonna choose notifications, and here we have the list of apps that have permissions to show notifications. If you want to allow an app to show notifications, then you need to tap on the slider on the right side. Otherwise, you can tap one more time in order to disallow it. You can also tap on the app specifically to see more information, and then you can select, at least in the case of notifications, you can select alerts and notification types. So let's actually go back, and this time let's choose, let's say, microphone. And over here we have a little bit different. This time we can see the list of apps that are allowed all the time to use microphone, apps that are allowed only while in use, and those that are not allowed. So we can, for instance, select the app that we want to allow to use the microphone, let's say Chrome, and then here we can choose one of these three options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!